Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can go and download Binance application on your Android device. Now to do this, the process is really simple, quick and easy. Just follow these quick steps I'll show you guys in this video. To install Binance, we will simply head over to Play Store, and in the bottom right, as you guys can see, there is search bar. We'll select the search bar and search Binance here. Now click on this application. Now this is the application we will be downloading. You guys might be new to crypto, and if you are, check out the other videos on the channel as well, might be a lot helpful to you guys. And if there's another topic you want me to make video on, you can just drop it in the comments. Now back to the topic. Once this application is installed, we'll simply close Play Store, swipe right, and here, as you guys can see, I have already installed this Binance application. It will appear here. Just open it. Now there's a whole another video where I teach you guys how to properly set up your account on Binance. Do check that video as well. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope the video was useful for you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.